Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, service technician for Advanblack. Today I'm going to be showing you our brand new footboards. This is going to be part of the Axion collection, our performance collection. These are going to be the CarbonGrip short boards, and these are primarily going to be for the Dynas and the Softails. I'll have all the fitment information down below, and it'll also be over on the website. There'll be a link down in the description to these, and you can go over there to make. There'll also be a link down in the description. It'll take you over there to these so you can make sure that they fit your bike before you order. Now, as you can see, we do have the red ones here. That's what we're going to be putting on the bike back here today, but we will have several colors, and so make sure to check the website to see if we have the color that you like. Our Axion collection is growing as we go, so make sure to check out the rest of the Axion products too. So let's get over here and let's get these installed. So when you're taking a stock foot peg off, you just got this little C-clip on the bottom here. Now, this type of C-clip on the bottom isn't the kind that has the two holes in it. You basically got a little slot in there. You can take a flathead screwdriver like this. I'm going to get my big head in the way, but I'm going to push this back away from the bike, and that's what that little clip's going to look like. So you want to get that stuff cleaned up. You're going to pop this pin out this way. Like I said, you'll notice that there's a spring in here. Now, if that spring falls out, it's very easy. There's a short end and a long end. The short end always goes in the peg or the footboard. The long end goes in the hole that's inside the bracket. So we've taken a 6mm Allen and removed this bolt from the end and pulled this off. Now, I want to show you how this works. You got a pin here and a pin here. You also have an additional slot to move that pin from here to here, but if you do, you need to move this pin from here to here. You want to keep it straight across from each other. On the back side of this, you can see where all of those pin adjustments are. So if we set this up on here, we can get it at the angle we want, just like that. Now we've added a little blue Loctite to the end of our bolt. We're going to put this back in. And of course, you're going to want to set on the bike to make sure that your angles are both exactly the same. And it's that easy. Now your floorboard's installed. Just repeat that same process on the other side of the bike. So there you have it. It really is that easy. Just a couple of minutes, you can drastically change the way that your bike looks. If you want to get your hands on a set of these Advanblack CarbonGrip short boards, make sure to check the link down in the description below. Like I said, we have several different colors. It'll take you straight over to the website where you can pick out the color you want and place your order. For the first 3 days that this video is dropped, you'll only be able to get these through an authorized Advanblack dealer. If you want to stay up to date when new products drop from Advanblack, make sure to go over to the website and sign up for the newsletter, and you'll be the first one to know. And like I said, this is part of the Axion collection. We have several different parts to go with this collection. If you want to change your entire bike, you can. If you have any questions on these parts, make sure to hit us up over at Advanblack, and I'll be happy to help you. I'm going to get out of here, get myself cleaned up. Hope to see you next video, but until then, as always, be safe. Keep your knees in the breeze.